while loop is moving, always try to update the map, get location, and move it and show it. So now I don't want to update the map always. I want to update the map only when I move. That means I have to have old location. Okay, that's what we have say. I have to have location. We'll name it old location. That means the old location that I was being there. Then this one should be get initialized when thread is created. So let's suppose, hey, I have this thread and this thread have constructor, and when the constructor of thread have created, so I just create a new instance from the location and we name it, hey, start. Okay, and make sure this is the initial value, so I don't have anything about old location. So I would just set latitude for it 0 location coming. You are not using the old value. That mean, hey, if the old location dot distance from the location that you have it is my location dot location, the distance, that means distance in meter between two locations. If it's 0, that means they are in same location. Just continue, don't go, continue. Okay, because they are in same location. Not equal, should be equal. Otherwise, set the old location with this new location, which is my location listener dot location. But if you see, this one will happen a lot of times. So it is better to move this sleep from the end and get it up before this one. So that's mean you have sleep 1 second. He is checking if this is a new location. If it's not a new location, continue. He will go and sleep again. Continue, go sleep again. If he get a new location, they are different from old location. You just update the old location and he will continue. Now, hopefully, when you run it this time, he will not show you the problem that you see it before a few seconds. For you cannot go to other place because I'm in this location. I never changed my location. Why he update the map? So now he should not update the map. Hopefully, yes. See, he did not update the map because I should not change my location. Unless I change my location, he will update the map. So see, this is name it living power, name it living power, name it living power. So that's good. So now what I want to do, I want when I move through the map, when I reach any of these, this one will be hide from the map, and same thing, his power will be added to my power. So that means I have to have specific power. So it is suppose integer. It is integer. I think it's a float. The power is float or double. I don't remember exactly, but the power here double. Okay. The power is double, so I suppose my power, which is double, which is my power, equals 0. I don't have any power when I get started. So for what I will do, I will say, hey, first of all, now we are showing all the Pokemons. In this time, I don't want to show all the Pokemons on the map. I want to show only the Pokemon that is not catched. So I'd say, hey, if the Pokemon is catched, equal false, that means the false, that means the Pokemon is not catched yet. So show it on the map so people or person could catch it. Otherwise, why he have to show me Pokemon that I already catched? So this is good, and let me end that one. So now only the uncatched Pokemon will be shown. The Pokemon who I catched will not get shown. Now let me see how I catch the Pokemon. How I could catch the Pokemon. For sure, when I be in same location of the Pokemon, I would suppose myself as catching it. So I would say, hey, if I am, that is if my location dot location, that's my location dot distance from the location of the Pokemon, that means Pokemon dot location. If my distance from his location less than 2 meters or 1 meter, whatever, so less than 2 meters, that means I'm near it. That means I catch it. 2 is mean meter because this distance to return in meters. So if I'm less than 2 meters, that means I catch it. If I catch, what will happen? There is different thing will happen. First off, think my power will increase it. It's equal my power plus the Pokemon power. Okay, plus Pokemon power. Second thing, I will show message to ask. Select create, so he will create everything for me. So I would show this activity, main activity with this. I would show a message catch Pokemon, a new power is, I show my new power, my power was it. So whenever I catch Pokemon, he will show me my new power. So catch Pokemon, your new power is this. Catch a new Pokemon, your new power is this. So now I'm done from my part. I just show my power. Now I want to make this Pokemon, the status of this Pokemon, to catch it, so he will not show up again on the map. So I would say, okay, well, how I do that? First of all, I have the Pokemon dot is catch. I will change it to false. Okay. Then what I could, there's many ways. I could say, hey, I have this Pokemons dot remove. I just remove specific remove at you could say. Hopefully remove at will work. Remove at, we don't have remove at. So what I will do, I will say, hey, set in the location which is I, set the new Pokemon, which is, I think this is another way of setting on the Pokemon. So that's mean, hey, the object of Pokemon, change the status for it is cached to true, because it's cached now. I no longer need to shout again to the map. So next time when he read it, he will not consider it as uncatched. Then I set it in that place, so it will not appear in the map. So hopefully now I'm done, and I have everything is correctly, hopefully. So now what I want to do, I say, hey, let me run it and see if he is able to catch the Pokemon and show me my new power or not. So because I'm not working, I just used this one to show you all the details. It will load them up for us. So I would go to my location, which is this location. Now let us move to the map. So let me change my location to the Pokemon location, any of the Pokemons. I use it the third one now, which is this one, where this one was the third one. This longitude and latitude, I changed it to that one. So hopefully now, if I just change to that location, he will go to that Pokemon location. But you see there is a delay. I know the delay may be because the map, but he will be in this location in a second, and he will take the power of that element. See, he take it, but the element is not removed. That's okay. See, now see, when I just change it 2 times the value, that one disappear and my power is now increased. So the reason happen, or the case for that, because now we are using emulator and we are changing the value by hand. But in real world, when he is moving, the value is changing a lot. So whenever the value is changing, what will happen? He will call this, he will pass this one to this part, and he call this one, and he update all the map. While we are here, we don't change a lot, so you will see that it is stay. Even he get the value of he catch the element, but he still have same value. So this is what I want to show in this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next.